Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Color LaserJet Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to restore your settings from the backup on this device. So firstly, you need to open your local web page, so just enter the HP Color LaserJet IP in your web browser, then click Tools, find here Backup and Restore, and click Restore, and here you will see all settings you can restore. For example, okay, so now you need to choose the file from your computer. In my case it's userdata.anc. So click Open, enter the password from the backup, and choose the settings you want to restore. For example, fax, address book. So restore all settings you need. Click Load, wait a while. And great, the changes have been updated successfully. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.